So this is Armenia Avenue in Tampa, Florida. I'm not gonna get close because there's some spiky stuff in the grass, so cats. I already know the equipment here, so yeah. Harmon cantilever, emergency information, safe tran 12x24-inch lights with Videotech. I don't know, Western Cone Haze second generation LEDs. Same ones up there. Western Cone Haze base. Invence's rail gate mechanism. I think there are Western Cone Haze 12x24-inch lights with Western Cone Haze second generation LEDs. NEG electronic bell and Rico LED gate lights. The other signal has a Western Cone Haze base, an Invence's rail gate mechanism, 3 pairs of Western Cone Haze 12x24-inch lights with Western Cone Haze second generation LEDs, NEG electronic bell, and Rico LED gate lights. There's the relay case, track view east, track view northwest. So this is Armenia Avenue, over and out.